Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's XC Infinity update for 31st of March. And okay, there's something very good that I do look at for XC Infinity. Now let's say you do start to break out this, big W like this that I told you, and if you break out of it, you're looking for that 58% pump to the upside. Now, what is going on with X Infinity? I'm going to tell you something is really bullish about it, and all you did is you're putting in a bull flag. Just look at that bull flag that you're putting in, and you're trying to break out of this bull flag, okay? So, what I'm going to say is that if you try to break out of that bull flag, guys, you take the top here to the bottom, and this is going to actually take you all the way again to that particular price target. So both of them are meeting, okay? You do have this big W, and you do have this one big huge bull flag right over there that can actually take you all the way to the skies. Now, I did see on on my Discord channel, a lot of people are talking about XC Infinity and the Origins being released, and it does make sense. The news and the charts both are actually matching with one another. I do have a picture here to show you, and do join the Discord, guys, if you want to see all of these updates. Okay, so you do have the launch week schedule, which takes you from today all the way to April of 7th. So you do have like a whopping 7 days, maybe the first week of April is going to be explosive for AXS and SLP in general, in my opinion. And let's see how that plays out. It's really interesting to know. But this update is going to tell you two things: the W and the bull flag, and $106 price target out of those patterns. Unless we don't invalidate and come down, to take this low right there, which is going to be the $41. You are looking to go to the upside. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.